Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Space Simulator game. So if you just fly out real quick, you can see the Milky Way. Now, we're going to go to our central black hole, Sagittarius A. That's a pulsar. Sagittarius A, there it is. Alright, it's really bright, bro. So, this is what the black hole in the middle of our galaxy looks like. Sagittarius A. That's the accretion just spinning around it. It's dust from the other stuff around it that's got caught in the black hole, and it's spinning towards its doom. And as it's there, it gets crashed into other stuff, crashing into other stuff, and it gets superheated, and it forms that. Alright, we're gonna go back to our sun, and we're gonna actually terraform every planet. Terraform means to make every planet habitable. So we're gonna make every planet next to Jupiter. So that's like Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and all those planets. Not the planets that are like the Mars, all those planets. So we're just gonna go pull up this right here.
It's time to spill the beans on the brand new talking feature in Toca Boca World. Tap the character expressions button in the bottom left corner, and then hit the mic to take the mic. Tap on your character, and voila! You can also swap between characters to get us talking to each other. I love your hair! Oh, thanks!
Alright, so we're gonna give it like an Earth type texture. Ooh, that's good. Okay. We're gonna give it clouds. Does it already have an atmosphere? Because I can't tell. We're gonna give it some rings. Yeah. Okay, that's cool. Oh, it already does have an atmosphere. Alright, we're gonna give it city lights. I'm gonna give it a magnetic field. Alright, there's our terraformed Jupiter. Alright, now let's go to Saturn. Let's go to Saturn now. Where's Saturn? Oh my god, it's all the way over there. Alright, we got Saturn over here. Alright, we're gonna transform this into Earth. Cosmic texture. No, we don't need that. Alright, let's make it look like, oh, we need water. First we need water. Then we're gonna need clouds. No, but first we're gonna need Earth. Then after that we're gonna need clouds. Rings. Oh, we already has rings. Then we're gonna give it an atmosphere. Give it city lights. I'm gonna give it city lights. Oh. I'm gonna give it some water. Is it changing anything? Oh, okay, we added water. And then we're gonna add a magnetic field. Alright, there's our terraformed Saturn. Alright, next planet is Uranus. No, we're not doing that. Uranus is, yes it does, but we're not gonna do that. I hate these ads. Alright, so we're gonna get water. Then we're gonna get clouds. We're gonna get Earth. I'm gonna get some clouds again. We need more clouds. Right, Pinky? We need tons of clouds. Clouds are the number one thing. We're gonna give some like that. We're gonna give some city lights maybe. Let's do green. And let's do purple. So that. Or did we get city lights? Nope, we did not. Alright. No, that's it. There's our terraformed Uranus. It says a rocky world. Now we're gonna go Neptune. Alright. Now, Neptune doesn't have much features, but first we're gonna go to textures, Earth. Then we're gonna do clouds. Some clouds. And use some rings too. I like rings. Alright, we're gonna do some cosmic water. Because that's a key thing. That's a key thing of getting life. We're gonna get some auroras too. Look at that. That's beautiful. All right, time for little Pluto. Where's Pluto? Oh, there's Pluto. All right, there's Pluto. We're gonna terraform Pluto. Another admiral. All right, we're gonna give it a magnetic field first. I'm gonna give it high maps. Nope, I did not mean to do that. All right, let's give it an impact. Let's give it city lights. Now let's give it some clouds. Now we're gonna give it Earth's texture, and we're gonna give it an atmosphere. Then we're gonna give some Alec rings. I'm gonna do Saturn's rings. And then we already got everything. So there's our terraform Pluto. I don't know what happened to the water evaporate. And that's every Pluto that's every planet next to Jupiter terraformed. And just for extra, we're terraforming every planet in the solar system, starting with Mercury, closest and hottest planet in our solar system. Hi, Chase.
What?
Yes.
We're still going? Yes.
Alright, so then we're gonna grab rings.
I know her asking if we're still going.
I know, right?
We just waited on you for 20 minutes. Obviously, we're still going.
Alright, there's our terraformed Mercury. Alright, now we're gonna do where's Mars? Did they not process Mars? I think we had to go on the other side of the solar system. Where's Mars? Nope. Mercury, maybe? No, that's our terraform.
No, this stick drift is driving me insane.
I know, I hate the stick drift in Fortnite.
Yeah,
It's a-
that song.
What song? I don't think they forgot to process the rest of the planets. That's it. That's all they processed. Oh wait, bruh. I think it's closer orbiting. No, that's it. It's all they process is Mercury. Oh wait, there's them. There's the other planets. God, bro, I hate that. It's all like 50 ads, guys. Literally, I got 50. Bro, at this point, I got to get like 100 ads. Bro, can I please get money? I need money to have a successful life, right, Pinky? Everyone needs a successful life. Can't say successful. Let's give some water. Let's give some alien lights. Now we're gonna give it some. We're gonna give auroras, and that's it. Look at our terraformed Venus. Alright, next planet is. We're gonna go back to this. I'm gonna look at other planets that we can terraform. And we have Mars. Ooh, we have Mars. Alright, let's terraform Mars. Alright, we're gonna give it. First, we're gonna give it a magnetic. Nope, we don't need that. First, we're gonna give it some water. Then we're gonna give it some clouds. And that's all we gotta do. That's the terraform Mars. And I'm joking, we gotta give her Earth's texture. And nope, I didn't mean to do that. Cancel. Alright. We have to go back and do this all again. So I accidentally yeah. Water. Yes. Let's give some alien life, magnetic field, and boom. Alright. I think that's every planet. Yep, the next is Jupiter. No, next is Earth and Jupiter. That's it. We officially terraformed every planet in the solar system, except for the sun, since you can't terraform that. I'm gonna see if you can. No, you can't probably. That guy's dumb. See that guy? Alright, we're gonna give it over us. And that's it. Alright, there's a new solar system, guys. Isn't that insane? Like, look at that. Look at every terraformed planet, including all the way up to Pluto. Not the moons. We didn't do any moons. Yeah, that's the end of this, guys. You know what? Let's end the video by a supernova.